Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. We are going to continue from where we stopped in the previous video. We are solving questions in paper 2 Bece 2024 exam. So we stopped at question number 18. So we are going to continue with question number 19. So it says solve 4 plus 4x greater than or equal to 5x plus 8. The options given are x greater than minus 4, b, x less than minus 4, c, x greater than or equal to minus 4, d, x less than or equal to minus 4, option E, x is greater than 4. Okay, so now let's solve the inequality. This question or expression is what we call inequality. So we have 4 plus 4x greater than or equal to 5x plus 8. So let's collect like term. When we collect like term, we have 4x minus 5x and greater than or equal to 8 minus 4. Okay, so this will give us minus x. 4x minus 5x is minus s greater than or equal to 4. So when we divide, when we move the negative sign to the other side, it becomes x less than or equal to minus 4. So this is the correct answer. So let's check for the correct one. So the correct option, as we can see, is option D. So option D is the correct option. You would like to know why the sign changed. Whenever you are moving the negative sign to the other side or you are dividing by the negative number, the sign, the inequality will change its direction. Okay, so that's why option D is correct. So the next question, that's question number 20, says which of the following line graph represents the solution of 2x greater than 6x plus 8. The options given: A, option C, we have a line graph, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, we have um this to be option A. B, we have the line graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have from 0, from 2. Okay, C, we have another line graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and that is from minus 2 to the other side. We have D, D, which is another line graph 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and that is from 2 to the other side. Then option E, we have also a line graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and then from minus 2 to the other side. Okay, now we are asked to find the correct solution for the inequality, which is 2x greater than 6x plus 8. So when you collect like time, we have 2x minus 6x greater than 8. This will give us minus 4x greater than 8. Divide both sides by minus 4x. Remember, the sign will change. The sign will change to x less than minus 2. So now let's check with the number line, let's check which of these is correct. So when we consider the first one, you see the cycle which is unshaded shows that the inequality does not have an equality sign. So we have this less than minus. So as we can see, option A is correct. In this case, here is saying plus 2, but this is minus 2. Here is saying that minus 2 and minus 2 is equal and less than x, which is not what we have here. This is saying minus 2 is greater than or equal to x. This is saying minus 2 is greater than x. So this is not correct. So the correct option is A. So A is the correct option. So let's move to the next question. Question number 21. Question number 21 says the sum of two numbers is 120. If one of the number is minus 75, find the other number. Find the other number. The options given to us are minus 195, B minus 45, C 16, D 45, and E 195. Okay, now to solve this, they said the sum of two numbers is 120 and one of the number is minus 75. So let the other number be x. So we have x plus minus 75. So these are the two numbers and their sum is equal to 120. Okay, now to find x, we write x, take this to the other side, is equal to 120 minus changes to plus 75. So x is equal to, when you add these two together, we have 195. So the correct answer is E, option E. So option E is correct. So let's pick one more question. It says, question number 22, which of the following is or are methods of solving simultaneous linear equation? Okay, we have I, elimination method. We have completing the square, completing the square method. We have graphical method. Let me clean the other side of the board. We have substitution method, and then V, we have use of formula. Now the options given, we have I only, B, I only, C, I only, D, I, and V only, and then D, option E, we have I, and IV only. Okay, so in the basic level, we have three methods of solving simultaneous equation, and that is elimination method, substitution method, and graphical method. So you see, we have elimination as I, we have graphical method as II, and we have substitution method as IV. So the correct answer is going to be I, and IV. So option E is correct. So we have three methods of solving simultaneous linear equation. That's the elimination method, the graphical method, and the substitution method. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.